How to maintain the drum brush of a Bespoke Jet Bot Combo. Place the robot vacuum upside down on a stable surface. Slide the drum brush cover lock to the right to unlock. Remove the drum brush cover and clean it using a cleaning brush. Lift the left side of the drum brush first, then remove it from the groove on the right. Clean the drum brush using a cleaning brush. To reinstall, insert the right side of the drum brush into the groove first, then lower the left side into place. Align the 3 hooks on the back of the cover and attach it. Then slide the cover lock to the left to lock it. Place the robot vacuum back in its normal position before use.